everyone, so in today's video I'm going to be showing you guys how I did these iridescent polygel nails with butterflies and also a little bit of bling. So if you are interested in how I did these nails, then please keep on watching. Okay, so as usual I'm going to start off with my base coat to apply my fake tips. The fake tips I'm using today are the extra long stiletto ones, which I'm gonna cut down to a square because they are like way too long for what I want to do and like manage. I won't be able to survive with nails that long. So what I do is I just apply base coat to my nails and then stick on the tip pretty much. And here I'm just trying to see if it would ever be possible for me to even pose or take like a good picture with these, but I don't know. I was like thinking about having them this long for this video, but then I was like, yeah, no, it's just not gonna work. So then I'm cutting them down to a length that I am happy with. I'm not going too short really, they're still pretty long. And then I'm using this polygel shade from McCart's House of Florists polygel kit and this green one as well. And I'm basically going to be doing a swirl type of nail but with a bunch of different colors. So I'm going in with some purples, greens, blues and also pinks. And this nail look was actually inspired by an eyeshadow look that I saw on Instagram, and I have lost that picture now, but if I do find it I will put it in the video. And it was basically somebody's eye with all these colors on them kind of blended in together with butterflies on them, and I was really inspired to do some nails. So here we go. And I'm basically starting off trying to make the cuticle, well, I'm not really focusing on the cuticle area just yet because I was thinking of either going in with a nude or filling that in with a blue, but I thought I'd decide that at the end after I finished blending everything together. So for now I'm just doing the blue and the green, and I'm kind of pushing around that polygel because I don't want it to look like a perfect swirl. I want it to look a bit messy and a bit different. I don't want it to just look like it's going in one direction, and I don't want it to look too smooth, if you kind of know what I mean, hopefully. So yeah, I'm trying to keep also a little blank space at the tip of the nail because I want to fill that in with something else in a minute. And as you know, I use McCart's base coat as my slip solution because they recommend to do that, and also because it's so easy to use base coat as slip solution now. It's easier to work gel with gel in my opinion. If you haven't tried this, please try it out. I guarantee you're going to love it. I mean, it's not for everyone, but I don't see why it doesn't work better than slip solution or rubbing alcohol, because I don't ever have to clean off my brush when using base coat gel because nothing ever sticks to my brush. So it just feels good not having to keep like dipping your brush in slip solution or something and then wiping it off, etc. So yeah, that's just why I like to use base coat gel. And also it saves me a lot of time. It does save me a lot of time. So now I'm just going in with some butterflies, and I'm making sure that each color is the same as the polygel shade underneath. So I'm going in with pink, blues, greens, purples, and yeah, that's it, just those. And also want to mention that the polygel glitter I added at the tip of this nail is from McCart's a fairy gathering polygel kit, and I also have done a review on that and a set of nails on that, which I will link down below. They are so stunning. I love them so much, and those glitters are absolutely amazing. And then to make these look even more iridescent, I wanted to add some matching flakes. So as you can see, I'm going in with the same colored flakes just over those colors, and these flakes are from AliExpress for sure, because I have not seen these on Amazon. I will try my best to link it, but a lot of the stores on AliExpress or like a lot of the products are no longer available after a long time. So I'm sorry if I can't find them, but I will try to link an alternative product for you guys. So on this next nail, I'm still sticking to the same colors, and I'm going with that pink, the blue and the purple. Now I've used two pinks. This is the lighter pink, and I've used two purples, and this is the lighter purple. And yeah, I'm basically just applying those colors in a straight line, and I make sure to tuck in my Polygel always at the edge because it saves so much time when it comes to filing the edges. And yeah, overall it just saves me filing time. I hate to file sometimes, so I just prefer to like perfect my application as much as I can. And then I went over with the I forgot what it's called, but it's the purple/blue glitter from a fairy gathering, and it's that one that I've put over. and for my nude, I'm using this Polygel from the same kit from House of Florists, and it works perfectly. I've used this before. I've also done a review on the House of Florists Polygel kit. It's stunning. It comes with so many versatile shades. You can create so many looks with them. As you can tell, I've been using that kit and the fairy gathering kit for pretty much all my Polygel videos so far, because I'm trying to create different looks with as many of the colors as I can. So I'm doing the same thing for this finger, just roughly merging those colors together, making sure that my surface is nice and smooth, which is very important, and make sure to clean up the edges so that you reduce your filing time. And then I added some of those flakes. I added only pink and green to this one since I kind of didn't just want to add the purple. I liked the pink a lot and I wanted the pink one to stand out, so I just kept the pink. And now this finger is going to be the exact same thing as the thumb, going in with all those colors and just basically blending them together. And once they have been blended, I'm gonna go with all the things that I had on the thumb, the butterflies and the flakes. And yeah, I really love this nail. I think this is probably my favorite nail, and then it has to be the pointer finger, the index finger has to be my second favorite. Let me know down below what your favorite finger is, and also if you do want to save some money off your Macar products, you can use my discount code. You can use my discount code Nails by Kamin, which gives you 15% off from macar.com. And yeah, and it is an affiliate code, so I do make a very small commission, which doesn't come from you, it just comes straight from Macar. So I would be very grateful if you could use that. And I also want to say thank you so much to everyone who has been subscribing and liking and commenting on my videos. It means so much, and you guys are so sweet, and I'm glad that these videos have been helpful or at least enjoyable for you guys. That's why I like to do these videos, and also I just really love what I do as well, so it's nice to see that others are kind of enjoying my content. That really means a lot. So thank you guys so much. And if you haven't already and you are enjoying this video, then please do hit that thumbs up button, because it lets me know that you are enjoying these videos. And don't forget to subscribe for more videos like this, because I love to do polygel nails, reviews, acrylic nails. I love it all. So yes, please do subscribe. And now I'm just finishing off the the pinky finger. It's kind of similar to the index finger, where I've done the 3 different colors, some glitter in the middle, and then blending with my kind of nail bed type of color. And that's pretty much it. It didn't take me very long to do these nails, as complicated as they do kind of look. They were quite quick for me to do today. So I'm encapsulating with Misty Rose. This is a really sheer pink. It almost looks clear, so that's why I used it. I'm kind of running low on my Macar clear and I love it, so I need to get myself another one from Amazon. It's absolutely amazing. I love the Macar clear. It's probably the clearest polygel I've used, but the Misty Rose, which has like a tint of pink, is still very clear. You can't tell too much that it's a pink. So I just used that, and I definitely got away with that. So the clear is super soft and super easy to use. I don't know why, but I find that it's like much easier than even the colored acrylics and the glitter ones. So yeah, if you do like to do some nice clear nails, then do definitely try Makat's clear polygel because it is really amazing. And also I have ordered some new stuff from Makat, some new kits, so I will definitely be having more videos of those coming soon. Hopefully they get here soon enough for me to film them, and that will be very exciting for me as well. So yes, please let me know down below if you are enjoying this video so far and if it has been helpful, because I really have been enjoying polygel nails recently. And don't forget to buy Makat's polygel because they are one of the best on the market right now in my opinion. I really do like Makat, but I'm always down to try new polygels, which I think I might be doing soon. But I do want to try out those new polygel kits that will be coming from Makat first. So now once I've done my application and my capping and I'm all happy with that, I'm going in with my Makat JD700 e-file, which is absolutely amazing. I've had this for like over 2 years now, and I'm using these drill bits from Amazon. They are just they're not the Makat ones. They are I'm not sure what they are, but they're really good and they look exactly the same as Makat's drill bits. So I will be linking these down below. They come with like a set of some fine, some coarse and some medium grit drill bits, and different shapes and different sizes for different stuff. So this is a really good drill bit set that I have, so I will definitely link that down below. And this drill is also super amazing. I absolutely love this drill. I have the blue JD700 one. I don't know if that's like an older model, but now Makat has a newer one and it's like a light pink type of shade. So yes, once this one does die on me, I will be going to get that new one because I absolutely love this drill so much, and it's really cheap too. You can find it on Amazon for super cheap. So anyway, now that that's all done, I wiped off the dust with an alcohol pad, and now I'm just going in with some crystals. These crystals are from either Amazon or AliExpress. I will have to see where those are from. And I just did a bit of crystal placement with some base coat gel, and then I cured those for 30 seconds. And I'm just making sure to use my wax pencil here, which is amazing for picking up crystals and placing them. And that's what the nails look like so far. And once I'm done, I'm finally going to top coat. I'm using the Makat top coat that comes in the kit, and this is it. This is the final look. I absolutely love these nails. Here I was just thinking, like, I feel like I should have left them matte because they look so good matte. So yeah, but I didn't. I went in with shiny top coat, and I still love them. I still think they look really nice, but I liked how the crystals popped more when these nails were matte. So let me know down below, would you have left these matte or shiny? I would like to know. And I'm just finishing off the nails. This nail's absolutely stunning. I love it so much. It's so pretty. And this top coat is really good. I have tested this top coat. Your nails will be shiny for weeks. It also doesn't stain, which is also a big plus. So this is it for today's look. I hope you guys really enjoyed. Let me know what you think down below, and don't forget to use my discount code Nails by Kamin, which saves you 15% off. And I guess I will see you guys in the next one. Bye guys.